Hi everyone, my name is Aastha and you're watching my channel Art with Aastha. So in today's video, I'm going to decorate one of my old kettles and give it a new life. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video. And let's go. We will need masking tape, a brush and acrylic paints. I will keep this white base as it is. Now we will put masking tape like this. And now we will put it like this. Once it is done, it will look like this. Now I'm going to use this blue color to paint the kettle. So once it is done, it will look like this. You can add a second coat if required. Now I'm going to paint this lid with the same blue color. Once the paint has dried, we will remove the masking tape. Now we will paint the handles with this blue paint. Once it is done, it will look like this. Now we will wrap the top of the handle with jute thread. Now our kettle is ready. We can add artificial flowers in for decoration.